SKIMI Airflow Styler Review, the perfect 3-in-1 hair tool. If you're looking for a versatile hair tool that delivers salon-quality results, the SKIMI Airflow Styler is worth considering. This multifunctional device acts as a straightener, curler, and waver, making it perfect for anyone who loves switching up their hairstyles. Its sleek black and champagne design and 3D titanium plates provide a smooth styling experience, preventing hair tugging and damage. One standout feature is its innovative airflow system with 96 vents that distribute cold air, locking in styles and making them last twice as long compared to regular tools. The 5 temperature settings and PTC rapid heating technology ensure fast and efficient styling, suitable for all hair types. Whether you're in a hurry or looking for precision, the SKIMI Airflow Styler meets your needs. With automatic 60-minute shutoff and dual voltage compatibility, it's also travel-friendly and safe for everyday use. Plus, the 12-month guarantee offers peace of mind. Pros: versatile 3-in-1 design, straightener, curler, and waver. Airflow system for long-lasting styles. 5 temperature settings and rapid heating. Titanium plates for reduced hair damage. Travel-friendly with dual voltage and automatic shutoff. Cons: limited color options. May not work as well on extremely short hair. Overall, the SKIMI Airflow Styler offers excellent value for money and is ideal for anyone seeking a reliable, multifunctional hair tool. Its user-friendly design and lasting results make it a must-have in your styling kit. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.